Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to change region or country on Instagram application. In order to change your region or country, all you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end. So once you change your region or your country, so what you can do is you can unlock the feature that is not available on your region. So then without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. As you open up your Instagram application, the interface might look something like this. So on this following page, in the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Once you do that, on the other page, you will be directed into profile page. So over here, you'll have to tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner. So once you tap on it, from the drop down menu, you'll have to tap on settings. So over here, you have a multiple options. So from here, you'll have to tap on accounts, which is right in between. So once you tap on it, on the other page, you have multiple options. In order to change your region, you'll have to switch your account into professional account. So then tap on switch to professional account, which is in the second last option. So from here, you'll have to tap on continue. So then keep on tapping on continue. On the other page, you'll have to select your category. So then select it accordingly what you like. And once you do that, tap on done, which is right at the bottom. So right in center, there's a pop-up. So then make sure to go through it and then tap on OK. So once again, on the other page, you'll have to select. So over here, you'll have to select on business. And once you do that, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So on the other page, you can see all your information. And under it, you can see business address. So you'll have to tap on it. So now you'll have to enter the address that you want to change it. So make sure to enter the correct one and make sure not to enter your current location. And once you're done entering your address and the postal code as well, so then tap on save, which is right at the bottom. And once you do that, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So that is how you can change your location on Instagram. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.